Hey guys, welcome back to my home, Casa to Casa, and we have a Dollar Tree haul. Yes, I was so happy to go to Dollar Tree today. And excuse my look, but it's Monday, and you know I'm tired. I just want to rest, but I had to go to Dollar Tree and pick up some things. But I have a question. I know I asked this before. Have you ever gone to Dollar Tree and picked up an item, or went for an item and picked up more than one? But this one is kind of different. Have you ever gone to Dollar Tree, got what you wanted, and in the process of going through the hallways, you notice new things, and you said, not now, next time. And then when you got to the register, you made your line, and right when you almost at the register to put your things down, you said, the heck with it. You go back and put half of the stuff you picked up to pick up some of those new items. I just want to know, are you that type of person too? Please let me know in the comment below. And yeah, let's just jump into this video. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start and show you what I picked up. I got two of the oval bowls, these kinds, from the brand Source Fresh. And I'm going to say I fell in love with this a long time ago when I first started doing hauls from Dollar Tree. I love these. They come in the round one and the oval shape, like I already explained. These goes a long way. But let me know in the comments below if you like me, that in your house, they tend to walk away and not come back. Yeah, that's me. So I constantly buy these. Sometimes I buy the more cheaper brand because, again, they walk out of the house, they never see their way back in. But if you want a good bowl that lasts a long time and is, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and all that goody stuff, then you need to get these. I totally recommend these. They are awesome. So every time they get them, I get a couple. So I got two this time, one for my daughter and for her boyfriend. So when I cook, they can take food to work or whatever, or come and pick it up if they're going somewhere on a day out or whatever, and take it with them. Another thing I picked up was this squeegee. And I got the large one due to the fact that I am tinting my car windows with my husband. We bought a tinting kit at Walmart, and it worked pretty good. We already did the Kia. Now we're going to do the truck tomorrow. So I said, you know what, I'm going to try this because the little thing that comes in the kit is totally annoying. It takes forever for you to squeeze out the essence of the water solution from the tint. So I said I might give this a try, see what happens, wish me luck. Another thing that I picked up was the microfiber cleaning towels. This is a 13 by 75, 13.75 by 13.75 inches. And these are the big ones. They are good. If you need some microfiber towels, you should go to Dollar Tree. These are good. They got the small ones too for like the kitchen. Another thing I picked up that I want to try is this DIY that I saw. And technically or literally, you buy the Downy, and I got this one at Dollar Tree. It's a 12 load. It's a 10 floor ounces. And no, it's not for my laundry. So technically, you get this, you put it in the tank of your toilet tank. And then it sits in the bottom, supposedly, of your toilet. So every time you flush the toilet, it cleans the toilet, but at the same time, it leaves a fresh scent in your bathroom. So I'm going to give that a try. And then if that works, then I'm going to come and tell you if it did, if I like it or not. Supposedly, it doesn't damage the person. I did a lot of research on it, and there's a couple of videos on YouTube that do show that this works and actually doesn't damage your your toilet or your, pipes. So I'm going to give that a try. Now, the goodie stuff, let me see what else I got. I got, from makeup wise, I didn't pick up a lot because they're just usually the same thing. But they did I came and got the Hard Candy Glow and All the Way highlighter. Baked bronzer. I'm sorry, the baked bronzer. This is the number 130 Tropics. I got one before, but it was like a rose pink with gold. So this one says Rose Tropic. It looks like that. And honestly, let me see if I can open it really quick and show you guys. Kind of like do a little swatch. Let me get my handy dandy bicycle from work. and see if, there you go. So it looks like this, and we're just gonna give it a rub. This is how it looks. And yeah, there you go. So it's a Tropical 130, and it's a big bronzer. So I got that. What else I got? I picked up, this is so cute. This is for my, to hang it on my computer, part office type section in my house. This is a calendar, and this one they have 3 different to choose from. It has the little cars, you know, in the pink and the black and the stars. They had one that was blue with the shapes of the universe, and then they had one with hearts. So, but I picked up this one because it goes with the theme on my office. So yeah, that's that. Now another thing I picked up was 2 packages of the glad bags, and this brings, what is it, 22, but then they give you 7 free bags more, so total 29. And this is the snack zipper bags. They are size what, 6.58 inch by 3.25 inch. So yeah, picked up 2 of those, and those for my face mask, so I can place them in there, etc. So goody food items. So new at my Dollar Tree, I just picked up 2, so my husband can try one and I can try one. This is 1 less carb, well, 1 gram total carb per serving. It says hot and crispy. It's the Lori's. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Lori's bacon curls, microwave pork rinds, chicharrones. So if you like chicharrones, okay, pick these up, give it a try. Let me know how they taste to you. My first time trying them, picked up 2. Me and my husband, we love chicharrones. Again, these are pork rinds. We love them. We love the chicharrones, and we thought, why not give this a try? So if they taste good, I will be going back for more. So I picked that. I picked up a Colgate toothpaste. Now, new at that Dollar Tree that I went is the Natural Craving snack packages, and this is yogurt covered raisin. It's plum raisin covered in creamy vanilla yogurt. I never tried this, but it looks good. It's 150 calories, 7 grams of saturated fat, 15 milligrams of sodium, and 20 grams of sugar. And yeah, so it looks like this, and I'm gonna give this a try. Now, one of my favorites to go to snack is the Baduco. I don't know how to pronounce you, but I hope I am pronouncing it right. And it's the wafer chocolate. This is no artificial colors or flavors, and no high fructose corn syrup. So, but they really good. I can like eat a package by myself. That's how good. But then again, they that good. But then again, I'm a greedy person. Just saying. Then new at the Dollar Tree, well, my Dollar Tree because it's close to me, is the Golden Crust Jamaican style spicy beef patty. These take me all the way back to, I'm not gonna tell you because then I'll be giving out my age, but you probably know tomorrow on Facebook. But yeah, this is the Jamaican spicy beef patty. I love beef patties, and I thought, why not give this one that says spicy a try? You guys know I don't do spicy too much. Then I picked up the Main Street, which is also new at my Dollar Tree, the Main Street Kitchen brand, and this is the creamy chicken rigatoni. It got creamy rigatoni with chicken and broccoli. I picked this for my husband because he loves creamy Alfredo pasta sauce and broccoli. So I thought I'd give this a try for him. And then I picked up for my son so he can just snack on. It's the brand Michelinas, because they didn't have the regular pizza roll brand. But this is the pizza snack roll combination, sausage and pepperoni pizza. Means 20 pieces inside. And it's just like pizza rolls, but we're going to give it a try. So being that said, that is my Dollar Tree holiday. What am I saying? My mind is going faster than what I'm saying. So, excuse me. But this is my Dollar Tree haul for you guys. Hope you enjoy. If you picked any of these items, please let me know in the comment below. Share with friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget the notification bell. And I see you on my next video. Ciao, ciao.